As you know, our platinum course is starting, as well as our mathematics course, because the syllabus and the whole structure is, first we'll do mathematics, then probability, then statistics, and then there'll be crash course side by side. There'll be mock tests, there'll be a ISI crash course and ISI mock test. So full IIT ISI course is this. So let me tell you about the whole structure and how do you proceed, and I will tell you the most important issues students face.
Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta's School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning. How do we do that? Number one, we help you build your foundations. We achieve that by making an optimized plan for your learning journey. Number two, we help you prepare and ace your entrance examinations in statistics and data science, like IIT MS, ISI MStat, and CMI MStat data science. Number three, we give our absolute best to help you design your career by organizing workshops and certified data science courses. To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IIT MS, ISI MStat, and CMI MSc Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
So let me tell you about the whole structure and how do you proceed, and I will tell you the most important issues students face. So if you go into the course, this is how the course will look like. However, students usually stay in this streaming place. If you even open it from your phone, you will see that it's streaming thing that the students are capturing. Okay, but essentially you will work on this classwork. You will click on the classwork because that's where the whole course structure is, and this is extremely important because student tell me like, oh, I cannot see the course structure, and I would say, okay, go to the classwork and then you will be able to see it, right? That's why it's organized, and you can see it's organized properly lesson by lesson. Therefore, from today we are starting the sequence one. So there are few aspects. The number one aspect is that how do you see the schedule? The schedule will be given in a WhatsApp group every single week. Okay, the schedule will be given in a WhatsApp group. That description. So just check the description when when are the classes, and also what topic will be taught. Okay, the pre-preparation course and lesson zero, these are the things you have to do it yourself because this is just knowledge based stuff. There is no discussion based on this. If you have doubts, you can ask in the doubt session, and coming to that point, this is where the lesson starts, every lesson. So from this week the less sequence one is starting, and it's always requested that it's expected, rather not requested, it's expected that you know the theory classes and reading materials quite well before you're attending the classes. Okay, and this is extremely important. You know the theory classes and reading materials quite well. Now, lesson one, problem solving. In this, you'll get all the problem solving doubt training classes, and then here essentially this assignment will all essentially what will be solved. Okay, so you can see that the week one assignment is what you will be solved. Open the PDF. Okay, open the PDF, and these are the problems that will be solved. And yeah, that's all about it. Um, a lot of questions are out here, and great. So this is all about just 1 week. Okay, the three problems that will be discussed in three problem solving classes will be uploaded here in this lesson on problem solving, and based on this I'll be starting to the doubt clearing class from this week only. In the Saturday's class I'll be taking doubt clearing at 7 p.m. Now your duty is to ask me doubts. And how do you ask your doubts? You go to this lesson one, you go to this section, okay, and then click on this lesson one, ask your doubt. This is extremely important because if you do not upload your doubt, we will not be able to answer that. Okay, that's how it works, because the faculty also needs to prepare, right? And this is your responsibility, and yes, and this is extremely important from your end, those who are serious. And you will see that among the 151 students enrolled, only those students who are serious will be able to um, ask doubts and attend the classes. And I expect each one of you, every one of you, to be serious, but I'm sure that will not happen. So okay, so now you go here and I will see the submissions here, and you will see that you can write us you ask your doubt there. So there are two ways to ask your doubts. One is you write the question out there, but if you have a doubt regarding, let's say you have a doubt regarding a concept that is taught in the class, so you take the screenshot of the paper, so you make a Google Doc. Okay, so you make a Google Doc like this, write your name like lesson one, doubts, and then your name. Let's say my name is Shreed Mukherjee, like this. And then you ask your, like, write doubt one, and then you upload your doubt here. If it can be an image or it can be a text. Okay, and then doubt two, upload your doubt here, image or text, and you keep on doing this. This is a very important format, and as you know, as we proceed in the age of AI, this form being in an algorithmic way is very useful for your own mind, for your own productivity, for your own clarity, as well as it helps the faculties out there. It's for a friction, the minimizing the friction between learning. Okay, because everything is online now, so you have to follow this procedure, otherwise it becomes hard for you, for us, and it will be a wastage of time of both of you, both of us. So this is how you upload your doubt, and you then click on share option, and then you click on it's anyone with the link, copy this link, and then you can come here and you can publish your doubt. Okay, you can add a class comment like this. Okay, probably I can ask question, I don't know, I do not know what the student interface, I have to check that. But even if you do not see, you can just create class comment. I can actually see your answers in the student space. Essentially do the same thing, and I suggest you to, instead of writing, do this uploading of the lessons. Okay, and that will really help you to keep a organized planning of your learning journey. So again, repeating, go to classwork. For every lesson, you have go to the assignment, you will get the PDFs of the questions, you will get the three problem sets. Based on the problem sets, you will find the, like, problem solving session here. In the theory class and reading materials, I'm sharing once again, you go here, you will get the three theory classes. In each of the theory classes, there are the theory, the video, and the PDF. Okay, and the notes. And there is reading materials. These are from books. So you see these reading materials, they are very well written and very well selected, very well scouted from the entire corpus of books and resources. So you read these books, read the watch the video of theory classes, attend the problem solving sessions. Now then comes, what do? You have to do something, right? And for the doing part, your duty is to collect, or rather buy a white book, like copy, and in that white copy you start doing each and every one assignment. Solve all the problems with properly written stuff, write down your solutions properly. If you do not want to write down your solutions, it's your choice. If you want to write down your solutions, and you can upload it here in the assignment section, and you can see that they will be graded. Okay, so this is the whole structure. I'm repeating once again, you go to theory classes, go to the theory classes, go to the reading materials, go to the videos, watch them, then try out the assignment, try out the assignment. Okay, you go here, try out the assignment, and then you attend the problem solving classes, write down the solutions properly in your copy, make a PDF of those solutions like you have done in your during COVID times, make a PDF of the solutions and upload it in the ask your doubt section. Okay, and you can do these quizzes, it's your choice, it's the same as in the assignment. They are PDFs, so it's your choice, you can do the quizzes, but quizzes will not be there like this in this format for every single lesson out there. So that's important. And then you go here, make a document file that I have shown you like this, doubt one, doubt two, and share, keep it open link, share with everyone, and upload your doubt here in this ask your doubt section, like a comment section or whatever. You can see one class comment, I can see yours, but I think you can also see a submit button option where you can submit and write down your doc files. So this is how the whole course will work, and essentially everything is very well organized. As you know, every course, theory lectures, reading materials, and assignments are uploaded. Every course, problem solving and doubt clearing are well organized within the assignments. The ask your, every whole LMS is built for you. Now you have to just do your job, and we will do our job. So the class timings will be given in this WhatsApp description. You do the classes every Saturday. There will be doubt clearing session by me. You can So essentially on the in the route creation session, I will go to those individual doc files. If the doc files are not there, I cannot really help it. It's a very strict rule. You have to follow a rule, okay? And if then the next chance will be in the next week. And I hope the students who have asked the doubts will be present in the course, and I will be discussing live with them the doubts they have asked. And yeah, while they're discussing the doubts with me, they can ask more questions, but their questions should be uploaded in that file before the class starts. That's very important, okay? That's for you to be disciplined, and if you are disciplined, I will be disciplined, and it's like a we win-win together, okay? And that's very important. Every doubt class will be from 1 hour to 1.5 hours, and if there is no doubt, then there'll be 0 minutes. So it will be from 7 to 8:30 at most, okay? And yes, something is very important, and I've seen these people doing it. So people have come and said, hey, please explain me the supremum infimum, and we will no, we are not going to do that, okay? Because it's already explained in the video as well. Yes, so we will not explain you something from scratch, because the theory classes it's already done. The problem solving classes, you can ask still that can you just revise this concept, but nothing will be taught from scratch, because they will in the theory classes the whole purpose will be lost, okay? We value our time, we value your time very well, okay? So now what will happen is that, if of course you should have doubts, right? But that doubt is not equivalent to not reading and coming to class and asking that the whole thing is a doubt. So if you have a doubt, how do I know that it's a doubt? So you have to go to the theory classes, okay, or the specific portion of the reading materials that we have provided. Take a screenshot of that portion. Let me show it to you. Let's say you come here and you see, you watch the videos, let's say here, and so let's say you go to this class notes and you take this class notes and say and take a screenshot of this, and then you come here and you upload your doubt here, okay? Got it? And then you write your, like, here is image, and write the doubt that I didn't understand the following. What is the meaning of least upper bound here? What is that notation of phi? You see, it's so organized, right? And to be organized, you have to be organized. So this is how I will clear your doubts, okay? And number one, this removes all the unnecessary weeds of thoughts that's in your mind, like a lot of unnecessary things we talk to ourselves, right, while learning. So this will give you a lot of clarity in your understanding. Believe me, it works for me and every single student out there for last few years. And essentially also it will save your time and our time. And essentially we're discussing the most important aspect of the entire learning journey, okay? So all these steps must be very, very clear and well thought and implemented by yourself. I know it's a bit overwhelming given all your classes and stuff, but still you're winners, and that's why you have joined among the 151 students. You 16, like the top 10% have joined, and I expect all of you to be in the top 10%, okay, of your consistency in attending the classes, doing the assignment, doing the problem solving sessions, submitting the assignments, letting us grade it, doing the quizzes and asking your doubts, and adding the live doubt sessions, okay? And understand that this opportunity of yours and ours, of course, both of ours, to meet each other and understand and talk to each other and grow together, learn together. I teach, you give me ideas, we become better. So this opportunity is very unique, and you getting the opportunity with us and us getting the opportunity with you is very, very beneficial for both of our growth. So take this opportunity out to attend the live classes, okay? And believe me, this relationship building with the students, this bonding with the teacher and students is extremely helpful for you in the future for getting internships, jobs, and other opportunities, and for us to give you that opportunity to work with us and grow together and learn and apply things together. So this is very important, and this is something you have to take it seriously. And I believe that each and every one of you is intelligent enough to understand the importance of this. So this is all about the course, and you can see the course syllabus and structure here. Feel free to anytime use your personalized WhatsApp group to ask any doubt. Our faculties, our admin will there to help you. And everything is actually very organized, and this has been run for 1 year. So we know that everything is well organized, okay? And students really face less doubts. So doubts in the the academic and logistic, you should ask doubts in the course curriculum. Every live lecture will be uploaded within a 1 day or 2 days, because there are few days when the admins have breaks, so therefore it can take up to 48 hours of uploading. Okay, and also please remind the faculties to start recording, and that is important for you, because otherwise you will not get the recording afterwards. We of course told the faculties, but faculties are also busy with their work, so they might forget. Okay, so this is something we request to you. Yes, any questions from you end, guys? But it's requested to upload, not just for grading, but to be, your goal is to complete all the assignments properly, right? That's how you measure your progress. So just upload the assignments, and that's your goal of doing whatever the best you can, right? Just that's your tick mark. 42 tick marks, 42 to-do list, just tick mark every week. It's hard, I know, but the problem is that if you collect it enough, you will not be able to complete it. So be sure that you're consistent enough. I've seen with the best of the best student, okay, they just kept on collecting, and just because of examination, just be in the process of doing every 2-3 problems every day. So you do not have to upload all the written solutions. You can just upload 10 of them or 15 of them, right? Just this is for just to, and the rest of them you can just do in a rough work in your own copy, but 10 to 15 of them you should write it properly. Okay, yeah, but this grading is only for checking that your writing is correct of mathematics, because that is important for ISI or your future that you want to do. If you go into IIT, there you need to write solutions, right? I mean, you give an like entrance of objective, but essentially you go there to write solutions, right? It's not easy. And we will hold a live with one of the IIT, and they say that writing proofs is so important in IIT, and students just based on objective, they are like totally gone, their habit. So it's very important, and we are a futuristic education academy, right? We are not just here for just letting you go into IIT and then you leave your life there. No, we are preparing you for the future that is coming to you. Okay, and that is extremely important for you, for us, because that's what we live for. So it's not, but please be very consistent with your own activities. If there's any faculty's doubt, I would suggest you to ask that faculty personally, okay? Because I cannot understand what his or her faculty's the corresponding faculty's insight is, right? So it is suggested to ask that faculty's doubt next class to that faculty only. You understand? But if you have doubts in theory classes, or you have, like, let's say you understood the faculty's, like, something the faculty said, and probably the faculty, like, you didn't understand. It can happen, like you didn't understand the answer of the faculty satisfying, or you really didn't understand, and then you ask the faculty, and then after even talking to the faculty you didn't understand, then you can come to me and ask in the doubting session. The doubting session is for general doubts. The only thing is that while you're posting the doubt, I should know the background of yours. I should know that it's coming from somewhere. Doubting session is something that is a fundamental protection of yours. Okay, if something is wrong, we are there to help you. But there's a process, like, so that now if you too much use the protection ozone layer, the protection layer thins out, and it doesn't remain protection. So it's like you use it only when it's really necessary, and there's no other way out. You use it for your theory classes, use it for your, if you have some fundamental concept that's bugging you for a long time, or for something related to some other topic that is not in the course, but you can still ask that, okay? Because that's a but it should be related to statistics, mathematics, and probability. Theory recorded classes are all uploaded of entire course. You can watch it anytime. All the theory classes are uploaded. So all the theory classes are uploaded. All the past year ka problem solving is uploaded. So if any first year student can just watch everything out there from first year recording, and just join the doubting search. Everything is there, okay? If a student wants, the student can just not join the live classes and just do the entire course fully. But the problem is that it's good to attend the live classes just to build the relationship with the teachers and faculties, because that's extremely important. I cannot tell you how important it is. Okay, so that's the only thing that has determined whether a student got an internship at Cheenta or not. I have realized that, because even if a student who didn't do, didn't, is not really in the top of the class, we give the opportunity of internship to the student in such a way that the internship develop the student building that opportunity, building that skill, and while doing the internship and getting a CV certificate or whatever position, internship opportunity and experience, so which is extremely useful. Okay, so interacting with the faculty is useful, yes, not just with the idea, oh, kabhi humko internship milega. That is not the right mentality. The right mentality is that I will just interact with the faculties and see and create a good bonding with them and understand and learn from them, and we see it as we get a good opportunity to know a good student and interact with them and enrich ourselves with the thoughts and things, and by interacting with you. So it's a win-win situation always. It's a collaborative effort, right? So that's how we perceive it, and that's how what we really want to do. We do not, but we just do not want to, like, I know. So let's see, if I have told you that, hey, I mean, I wouldn't have to. We know, that if a student attend less class, it's and if you attend less, yeah, ask less doubts, it's good for me, because like from an aspect of time saving, because if you ask me less doubts, I will have less, I don't have to take the class, right? But I do not want that. I really want you to be curious, and I really want to spend time with you, and I really care about you. That's why we have spent so much time. So you have to just respect that and believe in this process. This thing is very important. You have to believe in the process, because along this journey you will see many other things. I've seen that. And in the middle of the course, where you will see, Papre, kitna syllabus baki hai, and yes, you have not completed, then you will be more distracted. Okay, and then you will look for other methods, easier methods, but actually it doesn't exist. The easier method don't exist. Okay, the easier method only exists for those who have really done a hard work before, like they have really done it before, like they have spent their 2 years learning things, and then they are looking for a slow process. But you guys are in the last lap. If you would have really done everything out there, you wouldn't really needed Cheenta, right? You need it for a certain reason. You have enrolled for certain reason, for a certain value that you have seen in us, right? That will help you. So use the opportunity and believe in us, the process, and just give your best, even if it's a bit demanding. You have to just give your best. You have to be consistent and stick to it. Okay, that what just will determine the difference between you and the people who do not do the course. You have to just be consistent, and believe me, it works. I can assure you it works. Just believe in it and do it. All the aspects, all of them. The 1200 problems, if you count it, you will do 1200 problems in an entire year. That's around 4 to 5 problems every single day, which is insane. Like, it's such a consistent activity. I cannot focus on this fact more and more. You have to be as consistent, believe in the process. You can only be consistent if you believe in the process. Okay, and if you will more believe in the process if you interact with the faculties more. So these are certain aspects. That's why I'm telling you these keywords over and over again. So okay, so enough of this motivation, enough of this, and feel free to reach out to you whenever you are in trouble. Okay, if you think, oh, I'm not being able to do this, we will love to help you out. You see, remember, we will do everything for you that is needed. Okay, just believe in us. If you do not believe in us, who will we? You can, and not be distracted, because this is the only problem that has differentiated a dedicated good student who has, by good student means a student who has done who has good result, and I do not say a bad student, but a student who didn't get a good result. The only difference is that they believe in the work, they believe in the process, and they did it. Simple. Okay, and I just really wanted to do it, even if it's hard. I know that. Just do it, guys. Okay, I know you are quite capable enough to do it. Okay, so just do 11 12. That is expected, and for that to understand, you can just go here and solve this 101 problems. Okay, these are important. These are hard problems, but this will create your basic well. Okay, ISI people. See, if you do the high school mathematics to the level of JEE Advanced, it's good, because yeah, at least if you're being able to. Okay, so in JEE Advanced, there is time issue. Do not think about time issue. Just try to solve it. Okay, do not think like ये 1 minute में पूरा करना है. नहीं, you just solve it from the very basic scratch, like a subjective problem. Because ISI में वैसा question आता है. Questions come like that. So I mean, if you cannot solve it, that's a red flag. And you can only solve it if you spend enough time with it. Okay, and I'm sure you will be able to solve it. You guys are in third year. Okay, so you should be able to solve it. Just you have to believe in yourself, and just give your best. Okay, so when you say that I will be able to do it, then you will find ways to do it. And when you say that I will not be able to do it, you will find ways not to do it, because that's how brain works. Okay, so I'm repeating again. If you tell your brain that I will do it, then you will naturally find your brain has such a unique pattern recognition way. You will only find ways that you will be able to do it. So you will, among the 100 things, you will find one you will be able to do it. And if you say I will not be able to do it, among the 100 things, you will find one that will give you enough reason not to do it. So that this is very important. These are very, you're still in the growing phase of your career. So these things are very important. I know these are very cliche things, but these are very important too. So, and this is my duty to tell you, and faculty and teacher, to these small aspects of your career and aspects that can hold you backward. Okay, perfect. So thank you for joining, guys, and feel free to use a WhatsApp group, personalized WhatsApp group, to clear your doubts and anything. And I already see a few enthusiastic people out here. I would definitely love to get in touch with you and interact with you more in the routine classes. And I hope to see more of the faces and interactive people out there. Okay, so I'm so excited for you to join the classes and interact with us, and I hope you do the same. And yeah, bye bye, have a good day.